Yes. Some of the errors and mistakes in
that judgment.
the judgment.
And the reason why it should give you a closer date.
Absolutely.
A closer date to the emotion.
Yeah, only on sources.
These are the things that you listed. The fundamental error.
It's shown on the main judgment is upon page 22, page 25, page 26, page 27. The main thing would have not has now repealed laws and not found any prosecution. They still remitted back repealed laws to the High Court.
For the Federal High Court to correct it.
It's true. To correct it. But they have not corrected it. So I had to come back here.
For them to correct it?
Yes, they didn't correct it because it's an error on the face of the record.
And there are some directives behind it. And it was not compliant.
Yes, especially with CAM 7.
And that was the reason why it should be
absolutely.
Why it should
I need to know because how could their judgment instead of my CAM 7 does not.